Let's take a look at this exponential equation. We're going to solve this equation over here. Now let's analyze a little bit. On the left-hand side, I have an addition, but I do not have like term, so there's nothing I can do about it. And on the right-hand side, we have base 2, base 3, they're different. Power, this is power 1, this is power x plus 1, they're different as well. So there really is nothing I can do about it. So this type of question here, let's make use of substitution to help us. And before we do that, let's analyze this one here. This is base 3, power is x plus 1. This is base 9, which can change to base 3, but the power is only x, okay? So this power here and this power here, we need to adjust a tiny bit before we do some substitution. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to change 9 to 3 power 2. So I'm going to write x beside it. That means power, we multiply them. And bring down the 5. So what we're going to do with this 3 power x plus 1 is that we split it aside. So it's going to be like this. 3 raised to power x multiplied by 3 raised to power 1. I write it in brackets. So it means multiply. Okay, so now I have changed this to this and 9 to 3 power 2. Now let's take a look. I'm going to do a bit of adjustment here. So what I can do about this one is that I'm going to rewrite 3 power x, then bracket it. Power 2, I write outside. This one still means x times 2. 2 times x, x times 2, they are the same. Okay, so I'm going to write plus 5. On the right hand side, I can see 2 times 3, that's a 6. So next step, let me just arrange on one side first. So I write the 3x raised to the power 2, followed by this one here, I moved it, I have minus 6. Multiply 3 power x plus 5 equals to 0. Now what's our substitution? We're going to replace 3 power x. Okay, so we're going to replace with, let u equals to 3 power x. So this is what we're going to replace. So now look, this thing become u, so I still have this square. So u squared minus 6u plus 5 equals to 0. I get a quadratic equation. Let's factorize this. So I have u minus 1, u minus 5 equals to 0. So first answer, u equals to 1. Second answer, u equals to 5. Now remember, don't stop here. We have replaced u as 3 power x, so to replace back, okay? So we're going to replace u back to 3 power x equals to 1. And here, 3 power x equals to 5. Now what I'm going to do here is that I know that 1 is 3 power 0. I change it. So when I have same base, I compare power. So x equals to 0. What about here? This is base 3, this is base 5, this power is 1. I can't change same base. We're going to take logarithm, either ln or log, okay? So in short, I'm going to just write lg. So as I take log 3, this power x, I'm going to move it to the front. And I write it here, okay? So I get x log 3 equals to log 5. So one last step. Bringing log 3 to the right, we do division. Log 5 divided by log 3. Let me write my answer in 3SF. That's going to be 1.46. That's all for this exponential equation over here.